year, baby. We live. Welcome back, Crypto Chronicles family. It's your boy, Crypto Hobbs. We live. If you're listening now or in the future, tuning in. It's 2026. Happy New Year to everybody. You guys, crypto and everything to blow up this year is still coming. 2025 was the setup. You know what I mean? We're getting that layup setup, ready to dunk 2026. Stay locked in. We're going to be coming out every day live for y'all. I got major announcements today. A lot of great videos, and it's still the opportunity to be able to get in. It ain't too late. Shout out to everybody in chat now or later. You guys, Happy New Year. This is crazy because things are already going upwards. Things are moving. Everyone thought that, hey, things ain't going to go the way. Shout out to Madison Williams in chat. You guys, thumbs up. Thank you. I appreciate you. You lock in. Still, 2026 is the year for everything to go up. All right? Crypto, XRP, Bitcoin, everything, stock market, your 401k, you name it. These guys are announcing it right here, right now. I want to start off just with the video off the top of the bat, okay? You know, everyone knows SpaceX is going to come out with IPOs and stuff. SpaceX is coming out to the stock market. But everybody's going to be sleeping on the sleepy giant that they think didn't come 2025. It's coming 2026. It's a new year. Crypto's here, man. You know, we supporting everything and anything out here. Shout out to everybody in chat. Thumbs up. I appreciate you guys. Remember, sub soap daily. You guys, it's not about just getting rich. It's just about getting in while you can. I don't know everything. There's no financial advice, but listen up real quick.
SpaceX is exciting, but I think at the end of the day, where consumers are going to put their extra money in things that they can understand, they can invest in, and they believe are going to change their life, SpaceX is going to be largely institutional. All the money that's going to come back into the market from refunds and index funds and things of that nature, I think you're going to find themselves in blockchain and crypto in 26.
Okay, yeah, no, that's been a big push for this administration in 2025.
And we're on no political side. You guys already know. We just sharing awareness to you guys. 2026 is the year, all right? XRP has been a hot topic. I'm going to just start off with another thing, dropping bars here. I appreciate everybody in chat. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Drop a like below. Comment. My boss was stealing from me. Got the end in my book. I don't care anymore. Hey, man, I feel you guys. Look, check this out. It's been rough. It's been feeling tough out there, but lock in. Don't worry. Everyone stay solid. You know, hold your ground. It's been rough, all right? Everything and anything. But the time is coming 2026. This guy has the highest IQ, okay? His name is Young Hong Kim. IQ 276. He fucking came out and tweeted. He tweeted this. All right, you guys. I convert all my assets into XRP. A happy new year 2026. So I don't. This is. I'm just letting you know, okay? These people are know what's coming. If the highest guy with the highest IQ is talking about XRP, what does that tell you? Maybe you should get a little bit of XRP. It's your boy Crypto Hobbs. Happy New Year, everybody in chat. Hey, I'm just saying, if XRP does go to 110,000, you're not gonna miss out. You knew about it. You're in. You think you can reach 401k? You think you can reach 401k? Like, bro, I think you can reach whatever you like. What's the name of me? I got that. I feel you. 401ks, everything's gonna be starting to be able to invest in crypto. They're gonna, open up the floodgates to crypto. But also remember this: at the end of the day, they wanted us to fumble our bags in 2025. They wanted us to lose everything we got, but we didn't. We're coming out strong. It's your boy. Listen to this: XRP to $8. I believe it's going higher this year. I honestly think we are in for a surprise. Everything, all the assets you're invested in, your stock market's gonna go crazy. Remember, something important about this year is like election year, right? Like, still people trying to keep their political parties in office and all that stuff. We're just here to try to make money. It's your boy Crypto Hobbs. Drop a like, drop a subscribe below. We're bringing awareness every day 2026. I'm coming live wherever I'm at. Right now I'm here. Later on, I might go outside for a walk, and guess what? I'm gonna go live. I find out some news. Guess what? I'm gonna go live. I'm gonna share it with you. XRP is going to the moon. Crypto is going to the moon. Stock market is going to the moon. Shout out to everyone out there in the EV technology. Technology is going to the moon. You don't just gotta put your money in one basket. Silver, gold, all that shit's blowing up. You see silver moving, man. That thing's moving quick. But let's go. CoinDesk chart of the day. Forecasting a 330% increase for XRP this year, 2026. Lock in, fam. Don't miss your opportunity. Gates are wide open for institutional capital scale, not just for XRP, for all crypto. Tune in. Let's go.
At the chart of the day. Standard Chartered is reiterating a massive price target for XRP, forecasting a move to $8 by the end of next year. That represents a staggering 330% upside from where we are today. The bank's analysts argue that the legal overhang of the past few years is finally in the rearview mirror. With regulatory clarity improving, they believe the gates are now wide open for institutional capital to scale. The data seems to back that interest up. U.S. listed spot XRP ETFs have already pulled in over $1.2 billion in net inflows since launching in November. Today, XRP stayed pinned near its $1.85 support zone. However, keep an eye on the volume. It spiked 20% above the weekly norm. This suggests that traders are strategically positioning for a breakout rather than reacting in a panic. Looking ahead to next month, watch out for the January escrow unlock. 1 billion XRP is scheduled to hit the market. While Ripple typically re-escrows much of that supply, the sheer size of the event could trigger volatility, especially with prices compressed right at these key technical levels. As of airtime, XRP is holding steady at $1.84, down over 1% on the day. That's it for today's chart of the day. I'm Jen Sanasi. We'll see you next time to unpack more of the data behind
330% XRP spike coming near you. What does that mean to everything else? Everything else is gonna go up too, fam. It ain't just XRP. And that's what we're coming out to bring out to you, all right? Highest IQ man in the world, Young Hum Kim. I convert all my assets to XRP. What can I say? My man's speaking some volume. Shout out to everybody in chat. You guys, if you're listening now or in the future, crypto 2026, stock market, everything you invest your money into this year will and can change your life. I'm just saying, family and friends, and everybody listening, this shit is serious. Don't fucking fumble. Don't be scared and don't be mad. Invest what you can and forget about it and hold the lines. This year is your year, baby. Last year sucked. You know where to find your boy. But this year, it's in for all of us to win. Overall, whether or not we like it, new things are coming. All right? This guy right here, Besant, 2025 was the setting table. The feast and the banquet will be in 2026. This is to kill it with a bang, you guys. They're telling us in our face, like, hey, 2025 didn't go as planned, but 2026, my boy Hobbs, you gonna drive that Lambo. Shout out to Fit Fatty in chat. Bruh, I'm gonna get you that Lamborghini. I promise you. Cause I owe you it. You know what I mean? That's we keep it real out here with your boy Crypto House. Our YouTuber just asking I make videos. I'm a YouTuber, man. I'm starting out YOLO here, you know what I mean? I just started by myself. I'm just spreading awareness to people. Trying to be here every day, but it's I'm just getting in the game, man. So shout out, thank you for your appreciation and your support to Madison Williams. And I'm here making videos, yeah, every day, spreading awareness. XRP, 330% spike coming near you. Else can you say? You know what I mean? What else is coming this year? The Clarity Act. The Clarity Act has been cooking and making and baking. That's huge news for all the crypto community. I'm part of the crypto community. I'm part of the XRP army. We're here for the long run, baby. Diamond hands, hold the line, buy the dip, don't trip. What I'm trying to tell all my friends and family and people in chat that are listening, this is no financial advice. Crypto bubbles are showing you for the month, everything is still red, you guys. Everything is still kind of bleeding. But guess what? There's opportunities for you and your families to get in. Everyone is always trying to do the best they can to get in when they can, right? When Amazon, Tesla, and things blew up, no one knew. We don't have the answers to everything, but it's looking like green light for crypto this year, 2026. You guys always have to be the ones, always gonna be the ones to hear it here with your boy Crypto Hobbs about what we got cooking. What are they cooking? Major moves. Maybe quarter two, quarter one. I don't know. Maybe end of the year. Let's just be patient. Hold the line. Fear and greed index. Let's go over that right now. The fear has shifted a little bit away. People are still fearful, but remember, we were like at 18, almost close to like what? All the way down to like, I think it was like 15. I believe, yeah, 15. You see? Yeah, November of 19 it was at 15, and then now it just went back up for the new year because of major catalysts that people are announcing, right? Partnerships, Clarity Act, and pretty much it was all the manipulation and kind of just fighting the prices until 2026. And you can see it kind of look, market cap is moving back up. Let's go ahead and peek at Bitcoin, right? For the past month, yeah, it went down and then now it's pretty much going back up. So we're still in for good price actions. We're still in the run. We're in for a treat. What can we say is dollar cost average in. Create your plan action. Bitcoin is at $88,788. Okay, you guys, listen on this real quick. If Bitcoin was 88 grand, it's 88 grand right now. About a month or 2 or 3 ago, we'll say we'll say 2 3 months ago, 93,000. Okay, so it's still down, right? A good amount of price from where it's been, 4% for the month. Okay, but for the year, if you stretch out far, that thing hit $123,000. What does that mean? That means it's just going up and up. People are saying Bitcoin going to 500 grand, $1 million. So what do? You drop a little, forget about it. Invest a little, forget about it. Let's listen to BestNet. 2025 is the setting table. 2026, where we feast and make money. It's your boy Crypto Hobbs. Thank you for listening now or in the future. We got major news. I dropped already major news for you. You should be confident to invest in what you like. There's no financial advice. Will you lose money? Yeah, you will lose money. At the end of the day, sometimes appreciate you, bro. Yes, I got some videos up there where I got, I break things down. What do I recommend? I recommend you go check some of my videos out. Now I just like to do lives and come out here and show you guys what's going on, what to invest. You already know you got the coin market cap. You can use that to look and find info on cryptos, why the market's moving, the fear and stuff, right? And kind of anything you want. It's all on here, man. Coin market caps, one of our tools we use here at Crypto Chronicles with your boy Crypto Hobbs. We like to use this. You can create a watch list. It gives you everything. It honestly is a great tool of ours. And then crypto bubbles, I like it because you can kind of see overall in the bubble aspect of what's going on for the hour, for the day, who's moving, and you can also create your own favorites, right? And then we start talking about platforms on how to buy crypto, right? How you buy crypto, where you buy crypto, Uphold, right? Stuff like Uphold is where you can buy it. Bro, I'll be here. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you now or in the future. We're gonna keep going long as long as we can today. I'm gonna keep running. If you guys have any questions in chat, put it in. What do you think about order? Order. I don't think I've heard of order, so I'll look into that, brother. Shout out to my boy, Hang Back 5781. Never heard about order, bro, but we could tune in on that. Orderly. Nah, man. I'll look into it. Let's see. Let's see real quick, real quick. Orderly. No. Let me see. Over. Bro, spelled it like DRL. I can't even spell orderly. Number 546. Let's see. Let's tune in on Orderly real quick. See what my boys got cooking for us. Never heard of it. And that's what I like. Thank you, chat. It's all about tuning in. It's not about what you know, it's about who you know. Shout out to Hangback. We're gonna look into Orderly real quick. Looks like it's about 9 cents right now. Market cap, I like it, 33 million. Don't know much about it, man, but that it has a low market cap just by the eyes of it. Something maybe to make money just on the bull run, you know? But we're tuning in. Crypto 2026 to take over. Happy New Year's to everybody tuning in now or in the future. What's going down? Crypto Hobbs is just giving us what's coming for 2026. Fasten your seatbelts, invest in what you know. You know what to use. Coin market cap to be able to identify, hear updates, and know about news and price actions. Stay tuned with the community on X. Also, Crypto Chronicles is your boy on YouTube. I'm on Instagram. You can find me every day trying to post something for you guys to fucking be tuned in. What's gonna happen right now is we're gonna run this video. You guys keep asking me whatever you want to know. But remember, if you're a newbie, if you want to know more about crypto, just ask. Tune in on your boy Crypto Hobbs. Today we're gonna continue on 2025. Was the setting table? Let the feast begin.
I would categorize 2025. We had some important victories, some important policy announcements, some important movement. But as I've described it, 2025 was setting the table, and especially on the economy, I think the feast and the banquet's going to be in 2026.
Feast and the banquet. Overall, I mean, inflation, the number ending the year for inflation was great, 2.7%. Mm-hmm. What's still out there is the Supreme Court weighing in on tariffs. What do you think about 2026?
Well, the tariff announcement is certainly going to be consequential.
I would
So you guys hear it right there, right? There's always gonna be smoke in the air and problems to try to make things go down and slow us down. But at the end of the day, Wall Street and everybody wants blockchain technology. Everyone's getting in on crypto. But honestly, at the end of the day, what can we do? Be patient. Patience holds the line. Diamond hands, you guys know what to do. It's your boy Crypto Hobbs. We already tuned in on some of these. So we'll go ahead and X them out, you know? Shout out to the digital asset investor on X. You guys, this is a great video to get in on confidence to let you know why XRP is a great choice for you. It's about getting in on what's new. People are saying and know what XRP can do. And when it starts moving and going and people get shocked that it hits double and triple digits, don't be mad. Be glad. You were in early. People were like, oh, I bought at $3. It's all good, bro. People bought People bought it maybe when it was even more expensive on other exchanges. Don't forget, exchanges kind of mess and manipulate the price to make their money. So you guys lock in now or in the future. We're gonna tune in on this 1 minute video on XRP is the one of the only chains that has its own stable coin, giving it a leg up. Let's go.
Up to the level of what's happening in the Bitcoin and ETH ETFs.
I think that we're moving in that direction, right? I think that there is a very interesting story playing out around stablecoins. XRP is one of the only chains that also has its own stablecoin, right? The RLUSD. And I think that that adds a new element to what they might be able to do in terms of building business around the chain. Don't forget, I think one of the most exciting prospects of these new rails is going to be the vast increase in the number of computer-to-computer transactions that are going to start to occur as we see more people get comfortable with Web3 models, right?
Yeah.
And so I think that, you know, when you have your own stablecoin and you've got this chain that is already a public chain that has an independent verification network operating around it, this starts to become, I think, a pretty interesting business case, which is why we've been looking to partner with and doing more with Ripple over the last couple of years. Don't forget, they had some challenges here in the US while that lawsuit was on. Sure. Outside the US, they've been continuing to build their business dramatically. We operate globally, so we've been engaged with them in Asia for some time, and now we're seeing that start to spread out to more regions of the world.
You heard it there, you guys. XRP, not just only because it was sued, it was spreading its wing and it was going and doing its thing all around the world, even during its hard times. Shout out to this guy, Kim, again. Highest IQ, highest guy with the IQ talking about XRP. Happy New Year, Lord Joshua. I appreciate you. Hang back is back. XRP is fire. You know it, bro. This guy, highest IQ. What the fuck, chat? Somebody drop a bomb in chat, man. Like, I swear to God. You two with me right now. We gonna be multi-millionaires. Remember this. Remember this day. January 1st, Crypto Hobbs. I don't even know Crypto Hobbs. It's gonna be crazy because when this shit goes to $10,000 a token, and I'm going live every day on in my chonies, not giving a shit about anybody besides my family and you guys tuning in with me every day. It's gonna be crazy. You know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, we are gonna be millionaires. We're gonna be millionaires. There you go, bro. That's my boy dropping the fire. We're gonna you all you need to do. Okay, let's do the math. All right, XRP is $1.80 right now. $1.80. Okay, you buy. Let's give me the goddamn calculator. I don't give me a calculator laptop. So you know what I mean? Like, okay, $100 gets you maybe a couple of them, like 10 or 15, whatever. Let's do the math. Okay, $1.80 for a token. Okay, it's going to 10. Whoa, I kind of muted myself there. Tuning in right now, millionaire chats on XRP moves. Okay, how a little can go a long way. Everybody thinks they need so much to become a millionaire with XRP. You don't. You don't even know what's going on. There's only like 22 million people in crypto. If you're in any crypto like Zebig, man, I put $200 the other day. I got like 100,000 coins. When Zebig goes to $1, that's off of 200. You guys just listen. This is the new wave, okay? So you have $1.80, and then you times it by, let's say you put $100, okay? It's like $180, okay? So then the 180 for that, let's say we'll do the math quick. Boom, boom, boom. Divided by the 180, I think it was. Let's just say you have 100 tokens of XRP, okay? And you times that by 10,000. That's 1 million. 1 million. XRP is a digital asset crypto technology native token used by the Ripple company to use cross-border payments and cross-border transactions fast and quicker than lightning speed itself, sir. That's what XRP is. I got some Crow XRP and Orly. That's my boy Hangback. Bro, you a billionaire. I'm gonna throw the B word out there. You on game, bro. Drop some fire, bro. You on another level. These guys don't even know what me and you are. Hey, honestly, Hangback, you talking even Crow is massive. Like I said, I'm on no political side. I don't give a fuck about no political side. We're here to make money and business. We're here to move and groove and spread awareness. I need a team behind me. You know what I mean? You, bro, you got my back. I got your back. You know what I mean? So yeah, Crow, like Trump and them are taking over it, bro. We're gonna take all their money. You feel me? We're gonna take all their money. We're gonna cash in, spread love to our fam, and we the next 1%, and we're gonna make things right. So people don't understand. This move can just not only change your life, but we can make an impact, right? It's all about helping each other, one another. But yeah, okay, 100 tokens of XRP. So then now I'm thinking right now. I'm thinking math. Now 100 times 180. Okay, so how much would it cost me, Hobbs, for 100 tokens of XRP right now? $180 can make you a millionaire. $180. Bro, I want to learn about this too, please. Lord Joshua, tune in, bro. Crypto, very simple. I'm getting into this as best as I can as far as YouTube and using it, but I'm gonna have a link so you guys can sign up, download the app to buy cryptos, right? It doesn't help me, it helps us. It helps you get some free Bitcoin and you sign up. I only use two platforms, Uphold, Uphold, and crypto.com. Okay. Uphold and crypto.com are platforms, apps you can download on your phone, App Store, Apple, Android, whatever you have, and it lets you buy these crypto assets. Okay. XRP is pretty much, brother Joshua, like the Bitcoin, the Tesla, the Nvidia, the Coca Cola, the motherfucking Amazon stock that me and you didn't get to buy when we were whatever age we were, right? This is a once in a lifetime move, man. People don't even know. Not even myself knows what I'm in, you know? This is how crazy it is. Do you like any NFTs? Yeah, I like NFTs. I got some. I didn't really like go crazy on them, but I got some of those bathing ape ones, you know. I think I'm cool with all technology, you know, bro, but I'm not a super in tune and like, you know what I mean, like grooving and moving like I am with crypto, like with, you know, I got, shout out to Gemini, you know, I got the XRP credit card, you guys, you know what I mean? You got the, you know, we crypto out over here, right? We got cold wallets, you know, storage, shout out to Ledger. But you guys, you know, it's gonna be crazy and it's gonna be one for the books to remember. So that's what XRP is, man. It's a cryptocurrency technology that's gonna be able to change everyone's life and help us not be tied up to the banks. You're gonna be able I have all my crypto to my access. I decide when I wanted to move it, when I want to spend it, right? I don't need anybody's blessing or wait 3 days, you know? You should be able to move your money as fast as you can and do whatever you want with it. Meaning all good things though, right? We don't want any bad or anything to happen with money, right? We want to make the world a better place. But at the end of the day, crypto is the way. You already heard it. It's your boy Crypto House. Lock in, you guys. Even though this time we believe that things aren't gonna go as we think they are. 2025 was just a whew, fuck, man. Like I wish, you know, like damn, but we're gonna be up. You're gonna XRP is gonna make millionaires. Banks and XRP, they just don't know it yet. That's bars. Hang back. You talking volume, bro. Put you on chat. You gotta come with your boy Hobbs live. Seriously, bro. They are gonna flood the gates for it and run all over it. It's your boy Crypto Hobbs. Happy New Year! Thank you, bro, for tuning in. You really made this a good one for me today. I appreciate you. Hope to see you soon again. I'm gonna be coming back every day 2026. Just tuning in, spreading awareness. It's all love. People want to know something? Go ahead and ask me in chat. Let's go. It's your boy Crypto.